What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage. My name is Brian, and Phil has the Dupli-Color shop truck backed in here once again. You enjoying this truck?
Yeah, man, I love driving this thing. It runs great on the road, but I've been spending a lot of time in here, and this interior is looking super dingy.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, this truck's, what, 20 years old or going on 20 years old. It's looking a little bit of, wear and tear going on in here. What I think we should do is spruce it up with some vinyl fabric.
I like that idea. Maybe add a little different color to it even.
Yeah, there's a ton of tan going on, a little bit of black. I mean, maybe more black than tan. Some 50-50 two-tone going on.
Yeah, give it some accents.
Yeah, and plus it'll clean things up.
Yeah.
Give it a fresh look.
Yeah, we got grease and dirt and fading, everything going on, so we really need to get these things cleaned up nice.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, so let me go grab some prep products, see what we got.
Yeah, grab the foaming prep spray. We'll get rid of some of these stains.
Sounds good.
To prep the material, we first started with a thorough vacuuming to remove any large dirt particles, dust, and debris. When prepping plastic parts, use our multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner to remove any silicones or oils and let it dry. An optional step when coating plastic is to apply 2 light coats of our CP199 Dupli-Color adhesion promoter for maximum adhesion prior to the color coat. We then masked off any areas to protect them from overspray by using masking tape, a large roll of thin plastic to tuck into the seats to protect the trim, and also to lay over the dashboard, which made things easy. We finally covered the glass with a roll of masking paper and more tape. Before applying, shake the can for 2 minutes and 10 seconds after each minute of use. Ideal application conditions are when temperatures are between 60 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. When applying over vinyl, fabric, or plastic, hold the can 8 to 10 inches from the surface and apply 2 to 3 light coats in an even back and forth sweeping motion or until even coverage is achieved, allowing 10 minutes between coats. We allowed the tan portion to dry for about 30 minutes and then lightly masked off these areas in preparation for the black, since we are going with a two-tone upgrade on these seats. We also used plenty of our plastic to cover the seats to protect from overspray. Apply the black in the same way the tan was applied, with 2 to 3 light coats in an even back and forth sweeping motion or until even coverage is achieved, allowing 10 minutes between coats. Be patient with your coverage as the material will absorb the coating. Always make sure you're applying our products in a well-ventilated area with proper face protection. After allowing the black to dry for about 30 minutes, we removed all of the masking to reveal our results. Dupli-Color vinyl and fabric coating is designed to restore or customize your interior vinyl or fabric seats, dashboards, door panels, shifter boots, and consoles by covering stains and faded materials. It is formulated to adhere directly to a well-prepped surface to minimize the need of adhesion promoter. It offers UV protection and designed to flex so it won't crack, peel, or chip. Phil, this interior looks amazing. I mean, the transformation was incredible.
Yeah, Brian, what do you think? I even tied in the black and tan of the dash.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, we got black and tan on these side pieces here, which we didn't touch, and then you went ahead and did the inserts because the seats were all tan, to begin with.
Yeah, we wanted to break this up a little bit and give it a different theme, so it was really easy to mask. I actually just used masking tape and plastic and then laid down this black vinyl fabric, and it covered really nicely.
Yeah, those stains are gone too.
Stains are gone. I mean, it's a testament to the product. I really wanted to see if we could cover up those discolorations, different marks. I almost used the carpet cleaner and we just went for the vacuum, and as you can see, it really balanced everything out.
Yeah, and this is something that Phil did in just a couple of hours here in the shop. It didn't take him too terribly long. The vinyl and fabric laid down extremely well over the fabric here, and also got rid of those stains. Now, this is a job that you can do at home in your garage very easily and transform the interior of your vehicle. And it looks like we have the back seat to do as well, because it looks like that's all tan.
Yeah, the front seats, that accent color turned out so nice. I think we should do these back seats next weekend.
Yeah, and the console.
Yeah.
It's looking a little ratty.
Yeah, but I am looking at the dash, Brian. We got an indicator light for low blinker fluid.
Oh, man.
Yeah, we should check that before we pull it out.
We'll get that filled up and taken care of. So if you want to find out more about the products that we used, on this project and more about products in general from Dupli-Color and be the boss of your own project, visit duplicolor.com.